last topic for prelim, you have your membrane and action potential. Okay? So, ang flow today, hopefully makaya lang below 1 hour ni. Okay, discussion. Pila ka minutes mag-study before the group quiz? Or diretso na? Diretso na?
Diretso na.
Okay, review ko man yun na ni. So, diretso na? Or ma-break pa? Break, pila ka minutes?
5 minutes.
20. Okay, kaya after some group quiz, ma-early dismiss kami tayo. 10. 10?
30.
Pila?
30. 40.
Pila ka minutes? 15? Okay na 15? 15 minutes? Okay, discussion, 15 minutes break, group quiz, and then dismiss. Okay, dismissal. Sige, let's start. Okay, so we're going to discuss the basic parts of your neuron. Okay, so the cell body, other name would be, ibang nga books, naghatabigit other names. You have your soma or your pericardion. Okay, but it's still the same. Okay, so just like your cell, it also consists of your nucleus, okay, mga cytoplasm, organelles, ano man na. But wala lang din siya centriole. Okay, so anong meaning kung wala siya centriole? Ano meaning? Hindi siya replicate. That is why, common, di ba, sa mga may Alzheimer's, dementia, di ba kakalipat na because, once patay yung mga neuron, patay na gid siya. If sige, mabungo-bungo yung ulo, mapatay ang neuron, patay na gid na siya. Unless mabutod, pwede siya ka-regenerate. Yeah. But once it will die, patay gid na siya. That is why, ang munang masakit sa mga may Alzheimer's or dementia. Okay? Gakapatay or degenerate ilang neuron. This one is gaka-recall, sa mayo ka remember. Okay? Next, dendrites. Okay, so cytoplasmic extension or processes. Okay, afferent processes that transmit impulses to the neuron cell body. As well as the axon, extension man siya again, but this time efferent processes that carries impulses away from the cell body. Okay? To simplify, ang inyong neuron. Okay, this would be your cell body tanan, cell body ni. You have two extension. Okay? May mga tails siya or branches. One is your dendrites ni. Okay? This is your dendrites. And yung branches nga ni, these are your dendrites. And you have your axons. Okay? The axon is this one. Okay? This is your axon. Okay? So, ano meaning ka afferent efferent? Si dendrite, siya ang receive some signal going to the body. Wala na siya. Okay? If you're asked, what do you call the branch of your cell body that carries impulses towards the cell body? Dendrites. Okay, what do you call the extension? Okay, that carries impulses away from the cell body? Axons. Okay, guess on difference? If towards the cell body, it's your dendrites. Okay, after ang signal ma-arrive sa cell body, katagya sa axon, okay, or away from the body. Okay, that is your axon. Guess on difference? Okay. Next, you have your myelin sheath. Okay, si myelin sheath, it is composed, so color white ni siya nga substance, composed of fats. Ano gani meaning? Kung may fats gani, ano hindi kalabay? Okay, water or electricity. Okay, same goes man ni insulator bali si myelin sheath. Okay, this is your myelin sheath. Okay, so by the presence of your myelin sheath, kalabay ang electricity or hindi? Hindi siya kalabay. Okay? Next, you have your nodes of Ranvier. Any idea kung sino ni si nodes of Ranvier? Hindi siya. Okay, between sa myelin sheath. So, siya ang wala fats. Okay, siya ang exposed area. Nga wala myelin sheath. That is called your nodes of Ranvier. Okay? Then, you have your synaptic bulbs. Okay, kita nyo yung touch sheet, yung may synapse ka mo na ansiran. Okay, so ang end na okay, that is your synaptic bulbs. Okay, so it carries neurotransmitters there. Then lastly, you have your neurolemma. So covering na siya sa inyong neuron. Okay? So far, gets lang. Okay, again, that's na kami. What is the other name of cell body? Soma or? Very good, very good. What extensions or processes that carries the signal away from the cell body? Away, it's your axon. Towards the cell body? Dendrites. Okay, what do you call the fatty covering? That's it. That's the myelin sheath. What do you call the part of the axon that does not have myelin sheath? Nodes of Ranvier. Okay, what do you call the terminal ends that carries neurotransmitters? It's your synaptic pulse. Okay, the covering of your nerve, neurolemma. Okay, gets lang. So, siya na. Myelin sheath, segmented white fatty substance that surrounds the axon. Okay, produced by your Schwann cells. Nodes of Ranvier, that is the unmyelinated regions. Synaptic bulbs, siya terminal end, that contains your neurotransmitter, acetylcholine, and your lemma covering lang it around your nerve. Okay. Next. Okay. So, ano siya gyapon? Once si dendrites, mahatagin ang message, i-process. Okay. Then si axon siya ang carry. Okay, sa impulse away. Okay. So, isang diyang message. Technically, ang neuron nilang gin is ano ni? Ang malagi na yung functions ng neuron nyo. Okay? Let's say, napasok ka. Okay? So, i-transmit ni neuron to one neuron to one neuron to your muscles. Okay? So, what if napatay din ang neuron? What will happen?
It's dead.
It's dead. Ano matabo? Wala message nga ma-receive. Let's say, kung napasok ka lang dito yan. Hindi mo ma-remove yung mga kamot. Okay? Next. Coverings. Let's talk about your coverings. Okay, so just remember this one, your epiperi-endoneuron. Okay? Epiperi-endoneuron. Okay? Hindi na pagbalis ka da. Because, para hapos siya i-remember, what do you call the covering of your, what do you call the innermost covering of your neuron?
Epi.
Innermost?
Epi.
It's your epi. Ay, shock ko. Wait lang. Oops, sorry. Sulit. Endo, peri-epi. Again. It's your endo, peri, epi, neurium. Okay? And endoneurium, perineurium, and epineurium. Okay, so what do you call the innermost covering of your nerve? It's your endoneurium. So, siya nagka-cover sa individual nerve fiber. Okay? So, group of cells, okay, that is called your fascicles. Okay? So, ano ang ka-cover sa imong fascicles? That is your perineurium. Okay, meaning, ang group lang of individual nerve fibers, that is called your fascicles. So, ang middle layer, that is called your perineurium. Okay? Next, what do you call the covering sa entire nagid nga nerve? It's called your epineurium. Okay? That's lang. Okay, again. Individual nerve fiber, what is the covering? Endoneurium. It covers your, or encloses your fascicles, perineurium. Okay, the entire peripheral nerve, epineurium. Okay, so you have your epi, peri, and endoneurium. Okay, next. So you have your classifications here. Okay, so ginang-classify pag depende sa structure or depende sa function. Okay, with the structure, okay, may tatlo ka types. You have your multipolar, bipolar, and unipolar. Okay? Ay, na-upload yun inyong handouts. Kanina na-upload siya sa module 1. Okay? You can access it now. I-re-upload ko lang sa module 2. Okay? So, multipolar. So, ang usual nga drawing yan eh. Okay? For your neuron. Okay? So, you have a cell body. You have many dendrites. Okay, nga branches. And you have your axon. That's your multipolar. Si bipolar naman, you have your cell body here. Okay? May isa lang siya ka-branch. Okay? But one branch can extend sa other side. That is the dendrites. And the other side, that is your axon. Ang mga si bipolar. Usually makita sa eyes. Okay? Sa mga retina nyo. Unipolar, so di siya makita. One lang gid siya nga branch. That extends end to end. So isa lang gid siya ka branch ang iyang nga axons and iyang nga dendrites. Okay, usually common sa mga sensory nerves nyo. Okay? Arrange your You have your multipolar, most of your body, okay, especially sa inyong central nervous system, multipolar. Okay, you have your bipolar here, and you have your unipolar din. Okay, makita lang difference. Unipolar sa lang gidya ka branch. Okay, si bipolar may 2 extensions there from your cell body and sa other end. Okay, let's talk about ang tawag sa mga clusters of neuronal cell bodies and your axons. Okay? Tumutang mo siya actually terms, okay? But if ma-understand nyo lang, tapos na siya remember. Sorry, summarize ko na din siya. Okay? So, ano yung meaning ka CNS? Central Nervous System. Ano ang involvement? Okay, ano ang involved structure sa CNS nyo? Brain and spinal cord only. Okay, so if we're talking about brain and spinal cord, doon yung makita si nucleus and si tract ng inatawag. How about peripheral nervous system? Anong included na din? Okay, mga nerves, okay? Mga peripheral nerves. Cranial nerves. Diyan na makita ang term nga ganglion and nerve. Okay, other terms lang gina siya but depende sa region. Okay, so what do you call the cluster of cell body in your brain and spinal cord? Nucleus. What do you call the cluster of cell body in your peripheral nervous system? Ganglion. Okay, what do you call the cluster of axons in your peripheral nervous system? Nerves. Okay, what do you call the cluster of axon in your central nervous system? Tract. Okay, pwede kong magtalang. Okay, so you can remember this table. Okay, pwede kong magtalang. Okay, again, what do you call the cluster of axons in your cranial nerves? Cranial nerves? It's your nerve. Okay, cranial nerves, peripheral nerves, and there's a peripheral nervous system. Okay, so what do you call the cluster of cell bodies in your brain? Nucleus. Cluster of axons in your spinal cord? Tract. A cluster of cell bodies in your peripheral nerves? Ano? Ganglion. Okay? So medyo tamo lang siya terms, but basically the same. It differs lang sa area. If it's central nervous system or peripheral nervous system. Okay, next, let's talk about the histology of your nervous tissue. Okay, so, si neurons, dyan lang siya makita sa brain and spinal cord. It is responsible for sensing, thinking, remembering, controlling muscle activity, regulating glandular secretions, electrical excitability. Okay, and wala mitosis or cell reproduction or replication. Okay? So, muna gini ang majority sa functions in yung mga neurons. So, if your neurons will die, dula manitanan. Okay? Your sense of thinking, sensing, remembering, okay, muscle activity, affected tanan. Okay? Other nerve structures, these are called your neuroglia. These are smaller cells, okay, but numerous. But, iyang function is very important also. It helps support, nourish, and protects your neuron and maintains the interstitial fluid. Okay, so let's talk about the different neuroglia. Okay, Tapos wala lang functional classification of your neurons. Okay? Tapos naman ni siya, na-discuss yun naman. Okay, sensory. What is the other name of sensory neurons? A or efferent? Afferent. Okay, afferent. Okay, what do you call the other name of your, anong other name? Interneuron. Association. Okay, neuron. What is the other name of motor? Efferent. Okay, so hopefully hindi na magkalang. Okay, so usually yung motor neuron nyo, so siya ang gatag effect. Okay, effector organs, di ba more or less your muscle. Okay, so sensory or afferent neurons, okay, usually these are unipolar as discussed earlier. Okay, so iyan ang gitna function is from sensory receptor axon to your central nervous system. Okay, then your efferent or motor neurons, these are majority are multipolar, so from CNS to effector, such as your muscles or glands. Okay, through your cranial or spinal nerves. And your interneurons or association neurons between siya some sensory and motor neurons. Mga function is more on integrating or interpreting ang muli nga message. Okay, so let me simplify.
Process incoming sensory.
Okay. Let's say ang stimulus, okay, si stimulus, diba, sino ma-receive? Sige, kusi ka ni classmate nyo. Okay? Sino nga stimulus? Ang kusi, right? Sino ang maka-receive?
Sensory.
Ang imo nga skin receptors. Okay? Okay, ma-feel nyo pa lang ang pinching nga na. Wala ka pa kabalo nga, ginakusit ka na. Okay? So, what do you call the neuron? Okay? From your receptors towards your brain. Ano tawag nga neuron? Sensory. Okay? Sensory or afferent neuron. Okay? Maka-sense lang siya. Next. So, makadto siya sa kay brain. Sa kay brain, diyan hindi makita. Brain or spinal cord, diyan hindi makita si interneuron. Okay, really ang area nga magina-interpret. Okay? So, pag interpret niya, hala ginakusi yan ako. Okay? Next, from your interneuron, i-relay yan na sa inyo nga motor. Okay? Motor or efferent. Okay? That's the time, i-withdraw nyo na inyong kamot. Okay? Koon na. Kikasakit na. Okay? So, meaning, what do you call the neuron that transmit impulses towards your brain and spinal cord? Sensory. How about away from the spinal cord? Motor. Okay? Siyempre, tanan niya senses, di ba? Pakadtutan sa brain. Okay? Amuni mo ginabatsyag. Okay? Then, from your brain, okay, pakadto sa organs, sinyo nga motor, sinyo nga muscle or glands, that is your motor or efferent neurons. Okay, let's talk about your neuroglia. Okay, then may pa-drills ko kung kasaulo ka. Okay, so again, your neuroglia, these are smaller, but more numerous than your neurons. They do not generate or propagate some active potential. Sige lang, i-discuss ko later on. They fill the spaces formerly occupied by your neurons. Okay, so maling ang nga i-remember nyo. Sa CNS, you have 4 astrocytes, oligodendrocytes, microglia, and your ependymal cells. Okay, so if PNS, you have 2, you have your Schwann cells and your satellite cells. Okay, So, i-introduce ko lang sa inyo, or i-associate ko sa inyo ang very important na ginilangan task. First, let's talk about your astrocytes. What I want you to remember is that it supports the blood-brain barrier. Okay? So, siya ang largest and most numerous sa inyong neuroglia. Okay, so it supports your neurons, your BBB, blood-brain barrier, okay, as well as the other functions there. Okay, for the learning and memory. Okay, what is your blood-brain barrier? Okay, what supports your blood-brain barrier? Astrocytes. Okay, so let's say if siya ni angga guard sa inyo nga barrier towards your brain so that hindi makalabay ang mga toxic substances. Okay, let's say kina-control niya ang amount of alcohol na kadto sa brain niyo. Okay, that's your astrocytes. Next, oligodendrocytes. What I want you to remember is that siya ang responsible sa pag-produce, okay, sa myelin sheath sa central nervous system. Again, oligodendrocytes, myelin sheath sa central nervous system. Okay? Remember yun na, kay may counterpart siya sa peripheral. Next, your microglia, what I want you to remember is phagocytosis. Microglia phagocytosis, it removes the debris, okay, or mga microbes, okay, or mga guba nga nervous tissue. Okay, sinong gapaninlo, that's your microglia, okay? Phagocytosis. Next, ependymal cells, one naging important na function niya is that it forms your cerebrospinal fluid. Okay, kung makita niyo na yung mga aksidente, may fluid, yung nagwabit, kasi wasak ang ulo, may fluid from the spine and brain. That is called your cerebrospinal fluid. Okay, so siya na ang kahatag nourishment sa brain and spinal cord niyo. Cerebrospinal fluid or your CSF. Okay? So, okay, let's recall. What do you call the neuroglia that forms your myelin sheath sa CNS? Oligodendrocytes. It functions as a phagocyte. Microglia. It supports your blood-brain barrier. Astrocytes. What do you call the neuroglia that forms your CSF or cerebrospinal fluid? Ependymal cells. One na lang. Okay, under your PNS, you have your Schwann cells. Sorry, magi ang ngalan. Schwann cells. So, siya naman ni ang gahimo sa myelin sheath, but this time sa PNS naman. Peripheral nervous system. Okay? While your satellite cells will more on structural support lang siya. So, siyang counterpart, si Schwann cells, siyang counterpart ni oligodendrocytes. Si satellite cells, similar function with your astrocytes. Okay, so structural support, the exchange of materials. Okay, so that's your neuroglia sa PNS. Okay, what do you call the neuroglia in your peripheral nervous system? Okay, that provides support. Satellite cells. How about it forms your myelin sheath in your peripheral nervous system? Schwann cells. Gets lang so far? Okay, halfway na. Okay, tapos na itanan. Here. Based sa duwa ka images, sino mas dasig pag-transmit sa electricity? Is it sa letter A or B? B. Mas dasig? A or B? B. Mas electricity. Sino mas dasig na abot sa dado? A. Sabat A. B. Okay. As you can see, mas dasig C, abot C, A. Okay? Ano ma-observe nyo? May myelin sheath. What else? Ito ga, lumpat-lumpat, di ba? Ang ka-jump inyo nga ang impulse or ang electricity. Okay? you have two types of conduction. Martin, handouts niyo. You have your continuous and you have your saltatory. Okay? Alright. Continuous or your saltatory conduction. Okay? Let's say, pag quiz, kadugay, pasang panumdum nyo, hindi mo gid ma-recall, base, continuous conduction pa na. Okay? But, let's say, pag isang quiz, nag-get sila yun, nasigdasig ang impulse, okay? Saltatory conduction. Okay? Ang difference lang nila is, with your continuous, wala myelin sheath. So, tanan ni nga area, labyan ka electricity. Okay? That's your continuous conduction. It will take a much longer time, okay, to arrive di ang message sa end. In comparison with your saltatory conduction, may presence ang anong substance? Myelin sheath. Makalabay ang electricity? Hindi.
Hindi.
Makalabay? Hindi.
Yes.
Makalabay? Hindi. Saka myelin?
Hindi.
Makalabay? Hindi. Hindi. Hindi siya makalabay. Okay, kaya may myelin sheath. Kasi na siya malabay. Anong structure? Ang wala myelin sheath. Nodes of Ranvier. Bali from dere, ay makita ko myelin sheath, bulumpad ko. Dire na kuya kay Ranvier. Okay, mas bet ko si Ranvier. Okay, after the, bulumpad naman din siya. Okay, hasta maka-arrive siya sa end. Okay? That is called your saltatory conduction, the leaping or jumping of impulses. Okay, so mas dasig niya siya, faster conduction of electricity. Okay, tanan yun yung mga process sa body nyo, electricity na siya. Okay, sa inyong nerve. Okay, so maliginang namin ko. Okay, function of your nervous system. Okay. The mga sensory neurons. Okay. Hasta sa interneurons there, the spinal cord. Okay. Motor neurons here. Okay. Diba kung mapasok ka mo, kasi di ba nyo withdrawal? Okay, yung mga nakadasigin nyo nga, reflexes. Okay, but with age, anong kakatabo? The dollar or ga hinay, di ba, ang responses. Okay, with age, syempre degenerate na magitin yung nerves. Okay, same mani. Okay, kita mo stimulus, tubig, pati mo tubig, na, duga ka, uhaw ka mo. Connection na siya gapon ni sensory neurons yun ni motor neurons. If go ba isa, we cannot make this nga movement, okay, or connection. Okay, classification of nerve fiber axons. Okay, so may mga different fibers ka. Okay, A, B, C malang ang ingin pangalan. Okay, so if you're asked, sino ang fast conducting nerve fibers? A. So, Arya kung make a table for that. Okay. So, gin-divide ko lang siya by diameter. If may myelin sheath or wala. Okay, and anong array. Okay. So, si A fiber, iyang axon has a large diameter. Okay. May myelin sheath pagit siya. That is why, fast conducting siya. Okay, while your B fiber, smaller in diameter, okay, but may myelin sheath siya. Okay, but yung rate yapon is still considered slow. Okay, and C fibers, small in diameter, wala pa myelin sheath, this considered the slowest. Okay, so if you're asked what classification of nerve fiber has the fastest conducting nerve fiber? A. The slowest? C. How about it has a small diameter, myelinated?
D.
Yeah, that's the last part. Kaya lang, kaya pa? Niliksin. Okay, when yung last part, pero more on process ang inyo need to i-familiarize. Okay, so types of electrical signals, so graded potentials and action potentials. Okay, what I want you to remember, ang difference nila, si graded potential, short distance lang. Okay, si action potential, mga longer distance. Okay, longer distances. Okay, meaning, communication between your receptors and dendrites or communication within your cell body, tawag na is graded potential. Okay? The nerve impulse, okay, from your cell body to the axons, that is called your action potential na siya. Okay? So, very importantly, i-relate ang graded potential sa isa ka principle called your all or non-principle. Who can explain if ano nga principle? Who can explain if ano siya principle? All or non-principle? So, maka-explain. So, maka-try. All or none? Okay, usually common na gina siya sa graded potential or sa nerve mismo. Okay, so ma-try. Sino? Okay, sige, explain ko na lang. Okay? With your graded potential, okay, abiding all or none principle. Meaning, if enough ang impulse ihatag, makonduct niya ang electricity. If hindi niya ma-meet, hindi gidya. Let's say, ang amo nga nerve ga require be 5 ka dulce. Okay? If nahatag yun lang 4, okay, makakonduct hindi. Hindi gidya. Okay? But if makahatag yun siya yung 5, makonduct ya gidya. That is your all or none principle. Same with your graded potential, it needs the maximum amount or requirement niya to conduct that electricity. Okay, this is your all or none principle. Okay. Amo ni isa ka question na nabuha sa ammonia board exam. Okay. What is the resting membrane potential of the nerve? Negative 70. Okay, negative 70 millivolts. Okay, as simple as amo na nga question nagwa sa amon board exam. Okay, again, what is the resting membrane potential of the nerve?
75.
Negative. Okay, may negative 70 millivolts. Okay? So, walang resting membrane potential. Meaning, wala ning movement ang inyong ions. Okay? So, if may movement gid man, there ning mga ion channels.
Miss, paano mag-spell millipole, Miss? Millipole? Ano to? Millipole, Miss?
Millivolts.
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 Millivolts. Okay? So, ang ion channels ang gini, di ba na-discuss ng mga osmosis?
Yes.
Okay. Osmosis, paano gani ka move from, concentration from?
High to low.
High to
Low.
low. Okay? Okay, high to low siya gyapon. And with positively charged to negatively charged or from negatively charged to positively charged. Okay, opposites attract. Okay? So here, let's discuss your resting membrane potential. Okay. So medyo, ano ba niya siya nga i-describe or i-define nila, kabudlay pa siya yun. Okay, but what I want you to remember is the term nga piso. Piso. Okay? Ano may ka piso? Maski mo lagi ninyo matandaan, sa nerve physiology. Damo, potassium, inside. Okay? So, damo, sodium, outside. Okay? I-remember nyo na. Amo ng resting state sa inyong nerve. Okay? Because, by law of diffusion, di ba, din siya from high to low. Okay? Ito same na sa crowd. Okay, or sa classroom, di nyo mas prefer makadto sa butok or sa halo? Sa butok again. Sa halo. Okay? From high concentration to low concentration. Okay? So meaning, anong movement ni potassium nyo? Butok sila sa sulod. Where will it go?
Ayan siya.
Di siya mag out or in? Out.
Outside.
Okay, so your potassium ions will always flow outside. Okay? Since damo sodium outside, where will it go?
Inside.
Damo sodium outside, where will it go? Inside. Okay? So, amo na ilang nga movement always. Okay, remember nyo ni piso. Okay, you have 4 types of ion channels. Okay, remember si plasma membrane nyo. Ano nga si plasma membrane?
Bilipid.
Okay, bilipid. Diba nga layer. Meaning, hindi ka pass through ang substances. Except if may mga ion channels. Okay, may mga channels kadi nga makalabay inyo nga ions. Okay? Sige, Ari. Again, key terms lang ta. Lead channels open and closes on random lang gid yan. Randomly. Lead channels randomly. But mas lagawan gid ya, mas makagwa lang gid ya, mas may permission magwa permisi potassium compare with your sodium. Okay? So mas pabor sang guard si potassium. Okay? Lead channel randomly opens and closes. Next, ligand channel. Okay? So it opens and closes kaya nagyapon sang yabi. That yabi is called your ligand or chemical. Okay? One common nga chemical is called your acetylcholine. Yan nga lang. Acetylcholine. Basta sa 4th year niyo ma-encounter niyo kapon si acetylcholine. Okay? So siyang yabi, makasulod na si sodium, makagwa na si potassium. That's your ligand-gated channel. May kinanglan ng chemical. Okay? Ang chemical is the key to open that gate. Next, mechanically gated channel. So, kinanglan ng gidya, stimulation. May it be sound waves, touch, pressure, or stretching. Okay, that's your mechanically gated channel. Okay, voltage gated channel. So, if may change ng gate sang voltage. Okay? Ano yung pulos ng voltage? Okay. Si sodium nyo, di ba si Na, ano yung charge? Positive or negative?
Negative.
Positive, negative?
Positive.
Positive. Okay, positive. Si potassium nyo, positive, negative? Potassium. Positive, yeah. Positive siya, yeah. Okay? How about your calcium? Positive, negative? Positive, yeah. Okay? Usually, sila may ang common na gina-discuss yung ions. Kailan ka lang si chloride. Si chloride is negative. Okay? So, remember nyo lang, majority of your ions are positive. Your sodium, potassium, calcium, positive sila. Okay? If may changes na sila, okay, na meaning ka voltage, if maglagaw-lagaw sila, in and out, ga-change na ang voltage. Okay? Sa inyong cell. That's the voltage gated channel. Okay. Taas tabi. Kinanglan chemical to open the gate. Ligand. Okay? Kinanglan isang stimulus like vibration.
Mechanical.
Mechanical. Okay, mechanical. How about kinanglan sound waves to open? Mechanical. Okay. It randomly opens and closes. Leak channels. Change of electrical concentration. Voltage. Okay. Ang array, doon naman kamo sa array sa mga ion channels, may isa lang ka structure, na-discuss naman sa diffusion, I guess. Ang sodium-potassium pump, na-discuss wala. Sodium-potassium pump. Okay. So, if may piso ka mga dumduman yung bagit ni 2 piso 3 lang. 2 piso 3. Okay. If you're asked regarding the resting membrane potential, si piso. Okay, damo potassium inside, damo sodium outside. If you are asked about the sodium-potassium pump, okay, just remember the 2 piso 3. Ano meaning ka 2 piso 3? Okay. Okay, you pump 2 potassium ions in, okay, and you pump out 3 sodium ions. Okay? Gets lang difference ng kaya pa? Kamay na lang, ar na lang. pa? Ayun na pa?
Yes.
Okay. Ayun lang ta ha? Last na yung part. Kaya pa?
Yes.
Okay. Resting membrane potential of the nerve, pila gani again? Negative 70 millivolts. Okay? So, pwede mo yung resting state. Wala movement ni sodium or ni potassium. Next, once kani mag more positive, diba? If magsaka, diba? More positive ni siya. Ma-reach na ang amoni nga value, pila ni?
All or none.
Negative?
55.
Pila ni? 55. So, amoni ang yung tawag nila nga threshold. Okay. If mag-reach ni, sige na open yung inyo nga sodium channel. Okay? So, from resting membrane potential, negative 70, ma-reach C, negative 55. Okay? This will now occur. Your depolarization. Okay? Posible yun kasi inyo ang ammonia mga terms. If you see the term depolarization, always remember your sodium. Okay? Sodium. Sodium lang yun. Okay, next, when you see the term repolarization or hyperpolarization, ano nga ion i-remember nyo? Potassium. Okay, potassium. Okay, gets lang so far. Okay pa? Alright. So, may siya mag-conduct ng action potential. Okay, hindi pwede nga malumpat-lumpat lang siya. There's changes of polarity na di. So, positive, negative, amo na siya. Ginapasa-pasa. So, occur ni. Okay? So, if from your resting membrane potential of negative 70, ma-reach ang threshold, okay, ma-open si sodium channels. Okay? Again, sa, since ma-open ang sodium channel, di siya makadto. In or out?
In.
In or out?
In.
Di siya makadto. Sodium.
In.
Ha? If mag-open ang sodium channels nyo, di siya makadto. Go out or mag-go in? Din ganita mo si sodium sagwa. So di siya makadto. Good. Okay? Depolarization, sodium in flow. Okay? It will always go inside. Okay? So masigig-sige na siya. Okay, hasta ma-reach yung positive 30. Meaning, si depolarization nyo, it is making your nerve or cell more positive. Diba? If more positive, mas excitable in yung cell. Okay, mas excitable siya. That's your depolarization. Again, remember, si sodium na siya ba? Si sodium na. Next, after this, ma-reach na ang peak, nga positive 30. So don't, bay na lang ang mga numbers. Or lang i-remember nyo. Si negative 70. Okay? Ma-close na si sodium channels nyo. Okay? Ma-close siya. And sino ma-open? Sino ma-open yung channel? It's your potassium na. Okay? Potassium. Okay? This part is called your repolarization. Okay? So, hindi man pwede nga excitable ang pirmin yung cell. Need niya mag-relax. So, mag-go siya sa repolarization. Okay? Sa repolarization phase, your potassium channels will open. So, your potassium will flow where? Outside. Okay? Repolarization, potassium, outflow. Okay? Outflow or efflux. Pagwa siya. Okay? Pagwa siya. Okay nga ang magwa si potassium.
Balance.
Balance homeostasis. Because if the positive ions magwa, what will happen to the voltage inside of the cell?
Manaog.
Below 70.
Kung damo positive magwa, ano mabilin? Negative. Okay? So if i-target ni potassium, poon niliwat si negative 70. Meaning, ang morning state, makarest siya. Okay? So, pag tanan yung potassium, balik ni sa negative 70 millivolts. Okay? Then, next, you have your refractory period. Okay? So, refractory period, what I want you to remember, meron akong duwa, absolute and relative. Si absolute, by the name itself, no, yeah. no stimulus can trigger another action potential. Okay? Absolute, no. Si relative,
Yes.
yes, or supra-maximal stimulus ang kinanglan niya to trigger another action potential. Okay, gets lang? Yes? Damo-damo? Weird din ang duwan. Okay? Again, refractory period. May duwa ka. Absolute.
And
No stimulus can trigger another action potential. Si relative, you need a supra-maximal stimulus to trigger another action potential. Ang ginamit kong action potential ni is ang pag-transmit lang sa electricity or ang impulse. Okay mo na siya. Action potential na tawag. Okay. You have your synapse. So, mali sa inyong touch sheet. Okay. Discuss ko lang para ma-answeran nyo. Okay? So, di ba na-transmit ito ang action potential? Ano matabo sa during nga part? Sa synaptic end bulb. Okay? Kaya ihatagin na naman sa another neuron. Okay? So, if you zoom in inyo ang synaptic end bulb, amo ni matabo. Okay? So, once the action potential will arrive sa end, terminal end na gid. Okay? Hambala niya si calcium. Okay, calcium sulod to. Okay? Calcium sulod. Sugo si synaptic vesicles to release ang iaunod. Okay? Ano to gani ang name sa neurotransmitter? Neurotransmitter.
terminal axon.
It's your
Ay, acetylcholine.
acetylcholine. Acetylcholine. Okay? Kaya pa, last na ganyan si synapse. Last ito, I promise. Okay? Again, sa end na kita, meaning mahatag ang impulse sa piyak ng neuron. Okay? We're going to transmit the impulse towards the other neuron. Okay? So, your action potential will trigger your calcium to go inside. Okay? What is the function ni calcium?
To go inside.
Ano function ni calcium? So, siya ang matulod. Okay? Isuguan niya si vesicle to release ang contents niya. Your acetylcholine. Okay? Calcium. Okay? Synaptic vesicle, ipagwaan na si acetylcholine. Okay? Remember kung ano si ligand channel niyo?
Yes.
Ano siya?
Key.
Okay, do yabi siya. Okay, di ba ang yabi is your acetylcholine. Okay? Acetylcholine,
Means binder.
okay, siya yung yabi, i-open niya ang gate. Okay? To conduct the action potential sa other ng nerve. Okay, meaning, once open niya ang gate, mahatagin na ang electricity to the next nerve. Okay, gets lang? Okay. So, si acetylcholine, may breakdown man ni sa iya. Okay? You call this acetylcholinesterase. Okay, gina-erase niya si acetylcholine. Okay? So, siya rin ka-remove sa acetylcholine. I-breakdown niya to acetate and choline. Okay, ama na. Diyan. Okay? So, again, action potential will arrive at the end. Okay? Suguan si calcium. Calcium, suguan to si synaptic vesicle to release the content nga acetylcholine. Okay? Acetylcholine siya ang key.
For binding.
Okay? For if mag-bind siya sa receptor sa next ng neuron. Okay? Once na mag-bind, ma-open ang gates. Okay? Makasunod na si sodium. I-transmit niya na ang action potential sa next ng nerve. Okay? Pasa-pasa yan na. Okay? What do you call the substance that breaks down your acetylcholine? Ano? Acetylcholinesterase. Acetylcholinesterase. Okay? Acetylcholinesterase. Okay, so break down niya into acetate and choline.
Acetylcholine.
Ano na to? Break or review ko tanan? I-review ko na ng tanan before ko mag-break. Okay?
Ha ha ha. Tapos
Okay,
lang.
so I need everyone's participation. Okay, para hindi na magsulit-sulit or pabason ka. Ready?
Yes.
So answer ay kabalo. Okay, if hindi kabalo, try lang.
Sagatari.
Okay? So, this is your neuron. Okay, what is the other name of your cell body?
Soma.
Soma and
Receptor.
pericardium. Very good. Next, you have two extensions from your cell body. What do you call the extension that carries impulses towards the cell body?
Axon.
Right. How about away from the cell body?
Axon.
Axon. Very good. Next, what do you call the fatty substance?
Myelin
It's called your
Myelin
myelin
sheath.
Okay, sino nga ni Roglia ang kahimo myelin sheath sa CNS? So they're O. Oh.
Oligodendrocytes.
Oligodendrocytes. Oligodendrocytes.
Gender, siya. Olo.
What do you call the neuroglia that produces myelin sheath sa PNS?
Swan.
H1 cells. Very good. Okay, what do you call the area
U1.
nga wala myelin unmyelinated
Nodobrandere.
Nodobrandere.
U1.
Okay? Okay, then si synaptic end bulbs, dahil di ba ka-transmit na?
Yes.
Okay, sa end na, sa terminal end na.
Yes.
Okay? So, Dirita, mas-skip ka sa Dirita.
Hello.
Ito. Dirita. Once the action potential arrives at the synaptic end bulb,
Calcium.
what ion ang itap niya to go inside? Calcium. Calcium. Okay, calcium. Okay, calcium will go inside your synaptic end bulb, synaptic vesicles to release what neurotransmitters? So, letter A,
Acetylcholine.
acetylcholine. Okay, acetylcholine. I-bind niya, i-open yung gate sa next nga neuron, ihatagin na ang message. Okay. Next. What do you call the cluster of cell body in your brain and spinal cord?
Nucleus.
Okay, what do you call the cluster of axons in your brain and spinal cord?
Tract.
A cluster of cell body in your peripheral nerves?
Ganglion.
Cluster of axons in your peripheral nervous system? Nerve. Okay. Next. What neuroglia is responsible for giving support sa blood-brain barrier? Astrocytes. It gives support and maintains the fluid balance in your peripheral nervous system.
Satellite.
Satellite. Okay, satellite. Siyempre ko kabala naman ng Schwann cells. Okay, ang bilhin na lang sa PNS is your satellite. Responsible for forming or nourishment of your cerebrospinal fluid.
Ependymal.
Okay. Larry, C, astrocytes, training ang sa BBB, blood-brain barrier. Ependymal sa CSF. Okay, cerebrospinal fluid. Fluid sa brain and spinal cord. Okay. Responsible for removing debris or damage ng mga nerve cells. Microglium. Really. Okay, what do you call the nerve that carries impulses towards your brain and spinal cord? Sensory. Okay? What do you call the nerve that integrates the information? Integrates the information. Association or interneurons. Okay, so siya interpret niya, pusit ka na, giligated ka na. Okay? That's your interneuron. What do you call the neuron that carries impulses away from the CNS? Motor. Okay? Towards your glands or muscles. Okay? What do you call the nerve fibers nga may small in diameter and myelinated? B. How about small and unmyelinated? C. Fastest nerve fiber? Okay. Ito naman lang siya. Okay. What do you call the conduction? May jumping or leaping of impulses? It's your saltatory conduction. Sinong faster, continuous or saltatory? Saltatory. Okay? So, if mag-jump siya, kay sino siya makadto? Sino bet niya? Okay, nose of Ranveer. Ginaskip niya si Myelin Sheath. Nose of Ranveer. Okay, di ba, fatty si Myelin Sheath, so hindi kalabay si Ranveer.
Season.
Hindi siya malabay kay nose of Ranveer. Okay, last na lang. Pila ang resting memory potential of the nerve? Negative 70 millivolts. Okay. What phase of action potential in which the sodium will flow inside of the cell?
Depolarize.
Kung makita si sodium, automatic
Depolarize.
depolarization. Okay, what do you call the phase of action potential in which the potassium will flow outside?
Depolarize.
Repolarization. Okay, sige. Medyo i-complicate ang question. What do you call the phase of action potential in which it makes the inside environment of the nerve more positive?
Depolarize.
Depolarization. Okay, i-excite niya, di ba? Puro sodium na nasunod. Okay, how about less excitable? Repolarization. Kaya pakadun siya sa resting state na. Okay, what do you call the refractory period in which supramaximal stimulus is needed? Relative. No stimulus can trigger another absolute. What do you call the principle in wala kayo define? Related siya sa graded potential, okay, in which it needs the exact amount to trigger that potential, that impulse. All or non-principle. Okay, all or non-principle. Okay, what do you call the channel that opens and closes randomly? Leak channel. How about it will open and close with the presence of a chemical ligand. Okay? Presence of acetylcholine ligand. Chemical na si acetylcholine. Okay? Presence of sound waves, stretching, mechanical. Okay? Difference in voltage. Voltage. Okay. Sa resting membrane potential, ano gani ang i-remember nyo?
Negative 7.
Piso. Okay? Ang piso is, ano meaning?
Potassium.
Damo, potassium, inside. Damo, sodium, outside. Okay? So, with your depolarization, okay, diyan ka mag-go see sodium since damo siya outside.
Inside.
Okay? Your sodium will always flow inside. Okay, how about your potassium? Flow outside. Okay? So, ano yung remember sa kayo 2 piso 3, kaya may tendency nga hindi niya ma-reach si negative 70. Okay, so kailangan niya extra help ni pump na ni sodium potassium pump. Okay? Para ma-achieve ang resting membrane potential again. Okay? So, i-pump niya pila?
2 potassium.
Pila ka potassium i-pump niya inside? 2. Okay, pila ka sodium i-pump niya outside? 3. Okay, that is why damo sodium outside, damo potassium inside. Okay, gina-balance out liwat sa pump niyo. Okay, gets lang?
Yes.
Okay, sige, break ta. 15 minutes.